Want to apply a photo filter effect to a batch of images at once? Let's see how to add filters to photos in an easy-to-use image editor, PhotoWorks. Once you've opened the program, click on Batch Processing and hit Add Photos to import your pictures. You can rotate or delete any photo from the batch if needed. Now go to the Effects tab and choose Photo Effects. Here, you will find a built-in collection of filters to transform your pictures in a click. They are grouped into categories: popular, vintage, movie effects, and others. Choose a category and click on a filter to apply it. Zoom in on the picture to see the result. You can adjust the effect amount by dragging the slider. If you are satisfied with the result, click Apply. Hit the Save button, select the suitable format, and save your edited pictures. You can also fine-tune your picture with a separate effect from the Effects tab. We'll apply the Soft Contrast effect to add dimension to the pictures. Drag the amount slider to the right to add more contrast, and adjust the lights and dark sliders to get the best result. Apply the changes. Now you know how to put a filter on a picture or a bunch of pictures at once. Download PhotoWorks and stylize your photos in a click.